Back to the site, not for headlines, but to lift what can be lifted safely.
If the rigging is wrong, the lift is wrong, so we verify every link.
Down there, stability is safety.
Big sections don't move far. Terrain holds them like a cradle.
We lift by structure, not by skin.
One loose panel can turn into a saw blade on the tether, so we clear the path.
Hold.
Stop is part of lift. Rushing breaks things.
Slow lifts keep old metal intact.
Hold it, hold it!
Take the tension on the guides.
Aft! Move aft!
On deck, the ocean is still moving, so the load must not.
Same route, same discipline. Don't invent new risks.
The winch lifts. Our job is to keep it calm.
Secure.
Not everything can be restored. Some things can only be preserved. Sea lift is only phase 1. The real preservation starts on land. Two teams, one goal. Preserve shape without forcing it. Protection first, cosmetics never. Remove what harms it. Leave what defines it. The final lift is into a place of learning.
On land, time is still the main tool.
Where it sits decides how it survives.
If anything moves wrong, we stop before it becomes damage.
Down 2 centimeters.
Support stays invisible, history stays visible.
Down 2 centimeters.
Support stays invisible, history stays visible.
The tone matters as much as the facts.
Control, this is security detail. All sectors report green. Radio check complete.
Fire exit clear.
Confirmed. Barriers are satisfactory. Proceed.
Clean air is preservation. Clean air is preservation.
Some visitors arrive carrying more than questions.
Some visitors arrive carrying more than questions.
Welcome, please come in. Enjoy the exhibit.
Oh, thank you very much. It looks wonderful.
We teach what we can see, and we honor what we can't.
We teach what we can see, and we honor what we can't.
This is not rebuilding a plane. This is keeping history from disappearing.
Preservation is repetition.
Supports age too, so we maintain the things that hold history up.
Even small gestures become part of the space.
As you can see on this panel, effective ocean search relies on a culture of safety. This is about collective responsibility, not just rules.
The quiet work prevents visible damage.
Updates should clarify, not rewrite history.
Updates should clarify, not rewrite history.
Sometimes preservation is solved with a carpet.
Excuse me, are photos okay here?
Yes, but please be respectful of the families.
Sharing is allowed, sensationalizing isn't.
Stop.
Small corrections now prevent big problems later.
Repair here means preventing loss. Repair here means preventing loss.
We must emphasize human dignity and use careful language. We are here to honor lives through learning, without reopening the wounds of the past.
Learning their stories requires careful language. We are here to honor these lives, preserving their dignity without reopening the wounds of the past.
Even offerings deserve care.
Even offerings deserve care.
We maintain the frame so the artifact doesn't suffer.
Some nights are for listening, not explaining.
If students learn care, the exhibit has done its job.
The best comparison is the same view, repeated.
Preservation is a long conversation with time.
Preservation is a long conversation with time.
The work continues even when the lights go out.
What we lifted from the deep, we now hold with care.